Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back, Calendar with Droid Life, and we're taking a look today at the newest update for Verizon's Galaxy S3. So as you guys know, this update came out this morning, and it's big. It's about 130 megabytes, and it's essentially the premium suite that we saw featured by Samsung months and months ago for the Galaxy S3. It includes one feature in particular that we want to talk about, and that's called multi-window or multi-screen, whatever Samsung's calling it these days. And it's essentially a feature that allows you to run two apps simultaneously and sort of split your screen in half. It's really cool, especially if you're a big multitasker or a power user. You can really find some use with this. If you own a Galaxy S4 or a Galaxy Note 2, you've probably been enjoying this feature for a while. But again, it just came to Verizon's Galaxy S3, so I want to make sure you guys know how to use it. So in order to access it, all it takes is a long press on back. And then you get this menu that pops out, which can be hidden or brought back or hidden. If you don't want that little blue nub there, you can long press on back and it goes away. And if you want to bring it back again, long press again, comes back. Now you can do this from anywhere. You can do it from within an app, on your home screen, anywhere. Okay, it's really easy to access. And so once you swipe the little menu out, you get a list of apps. Now this isn't all of your apps. Samsung has decided that only certain apps are allowed to use this functionality, though I believe developers can build in compatibility. You'll notice Falcon Pro is listed there. That's not a stock app by any means. So you've got this minimal sort of list of apps. So you'll find the important ones like Facebook and Internet and Gallery and Video Player and YouTube and even Chrome if you have that installed. You can hit this edit button down here, which you would think would get you to the other list of the rest of your apps, but it doesn't. It's just apps that you can either add to or hide from, you know, the list there in case there's some stuff in there you don't want. You can just drag these out. You can also rearrange and things like that. So that's what that menu does. But let's talk about the actual useful functionality of this. So you've got, let's say, Chrome. All right, I'm gonna long press on Chrome and drag it over. Gets me this blue sort of box, which means when I drop this, it's gonna take up the entire screen. So I'm gonna do that. So there's Chrome, we've got Droid Life open there. Let's say that I wanna head to YouTube and watch some videos while I browse around Droid Life. So I grab this, and once you do that, once you have an app open, this then allows you to decide which half you want your next app to open in. So I'm gonna go bottom, and there's the Droid Life YouTube channel. So from there, you've got this bar in the middle, which can be dragged to resize either of your windows. So you can see more of the top one or more of the bottom one. So let's go ahead and start a video. So I'm just gonna tap on this video and let it start playing. And it wants to do an ad, which is a little bit annoying. So we'll let that play for its 2 seconds and then skip. Yes, skip. All right, so video should start playing and it's got sound. We're taking a look at 2 cases today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that down for the sake of the video. Let's go ahead and drag that back down though, and I wanna get over to Droid Life. So one thing you'll notice, I don't know if this is a bug, because this definitely doesn't happen on the Galaxy S4, you notice my YouTube screen went white. So I'm on YouTube, or I'm on Droid Life cruising around, and nope, get me out of there. So I'm gonna go back to the home page and let that load, and I'm gonna drag this back up and go back into YouTube. And it brings the video back up. Now, I don't know why it's going white because it doesn't do that on the Galaxy S4. That's what it's doing for me here. But anyways, you can see how you can be on one place and doing something on another. You know, you could drag out your gallery then and check out some pictures. You could, and you can, you know, browse around these just like you would normally. It's just you're in half of the phone. Or you could drag this up. You also have some options down here. You'll see if I tap in between screens, they keep changing. And they essentially, tap that again, will let you either flip the screens, so you can put your whichever one's on top back down to the bottom, or you can actually make one go full screen if you want, get rid of the other window. And then if you want to change apps and bring something back like YouTube, you can go ahead and drag that in, and it should resume you from exactly where you left off. So it's really, really cool. If you want to get rid of that, everything, just press home, and everything goes away. If you want to start over, you can go in here and grab an app again and so forth. So it's called multi-window or multi-screen. It's really cool. Again, it's built in the Galaxy Note 2 and Galaxy S4 already, but I do want to show it to you on the Galaxy S4 just so you can see one little subtle difference. So if I go ahead and power on here, unlock, and a long press on back gets you the same thing. Though the Galaxy S4 has been skinned to look a little bit prettier, I would say. It's a white sort of background with a little more minimal nub rather than that sort of god-awful blue they've used over there. So when you swipe this out, again, you have sort of a minimal list of apps. If you want to use one though, you just drag and drop just like you do on the other version on the Galaxy S3. We'll pull YouTube up as well. If I hit play, this should start playing. Go ahead and drop the volume down. Now, if I go to another window and start using it, you'll notice on this version, the video is still playing. It's not whited out like it was on the Galaxy S3. So I can browse around here, still playing down here, all that good stuff, right? So a little bit different. One of the things you can also do that's different is there's an X. So if you don't want to go full screen, you can just hit X on one. It still goes full screen. So it's kind of an interesting way to do it. What I mean by that is, let me get Chrome again. There's already a button to go full screen right there, so I'm not exactly sure why you need the X in there, because you can just hit that and it'll go full screen as well. So it's kind of redundant. But anyways, you get the point. It's on the Galaxy S4, it's on the Galaxy S3, it's on the Galaxy Note 2. Long press on back will get you there. Just thought we'd compare the two, show you guys how to use it in case you weren't aware. Droid life, peace.